The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade extends heartfelt gratitude to the government of Japan for its generous donation of 27 vehicles and one rigid hull inflatable boat to the government of Jamaica. This donation will significantly enhance the capacity of our security forces to better serve and protect the citizens of Jamaica.
This is, as indicated, Ambassador, is our time of the year when we are busy because Yuletide season. And while it's a season for sharing, for joy, and for feasting and festival, it's also a time when criminals think they find soft opportunities, because this is a time when there is naturally increased expenditure, increased activity, economic activity. In fact, at this time of the year, we have to take steps to intercept the criminals who seek to rob and hurt our people.
Japan's commitment to supporting this key area of Jamaica's development agenda is unquestionable. For the last 2 years, the governments of Japan and Brazil have been involved in a tripartite technical cooperation project with Jamaica entitled Capacity Building in Community Project Policing, COBAN model, which is aimed at strengthening cooperation in community policing in Jamaica.
Thank you, Ambassador, for the contribution. We appreciate that, and we look forward to continuing working with the government of Japan. I said you are one of our big brothers, big partner, and we look forward to doing more things with you to enhance and strengthen not only the police force but the economy of Jamaica, and to wish your own people well during this time.